This country is evolving. Now, we are pacing fast. We are moving bold. Time equals to money was never any truer for this region. And for this change time, from US-Bangla Airlines, we are always trying to uphold the contribution from our end. Hence, we keep adding few more feathers to our crown. We are now introducing our own crown jewels. Brand new ATR72-600, the most reliable name for domestic region.
Dear guest, please allow us to serve you. We will ensure your safety and comfort with this brand new aircraft and most advanced technology.
Let's introduce our brand new 72-600 ATR aircraft.
This modern ATR72-600 is unique from other aircrafts because of its convenience. It has better leg space, bigger luggage compartment, comfortable seats, better air conditioning, spacious aisle, and less noisy and vibration system. The flight attendant panel is equipped with modern multimedia technologies. The lighting and audio can be controlled with just a touch. Also, its sound isolation feature gives the passenger a peaceful environment.
This is the most sophisticated aircraft you will fly in Bangladesh at this moment of aviation history. These engines contain a very sophisticated software that helps us to take appropriate actions in the cockpit. When something goes wrong, the system tells us what action to take.
In our journey, every day we are trying to get better than yesterday, and for obvious reasons, all our hard work and efforts are dedicated for putting a smile on the faces of our valued passengers. To keep up with this spirit, we are spreading our wings to take you closer to your destinations. We are waiting to serve you with the best fleet of the country. In our journey for a better tomorrow, we are welcoming you on board.